Hello, in this video I will show you how to combine the CNC output for identical parts. First of all, you need a list which has no part ID in it or anything that makes the parts unique for that matter. As you can see in this drawing, we have 5 horizontals, one of which opposed to the other has minifix connectors on one of the side. If I now open the CNC settings on the left hand side of the Export CNC button and I activate Filter Identical Parts and then click on Export CNC, then each of the parts is checked, and as you can see here, the one horizontal as opposed to the other ones is not combined and has its own CNC output. Thank you for watching.